Hey, it's Jen with Let's Get Chalkin' with Jen, independent designer with Couture. So today I'm going to do a basic design for you on a 9x12 chalkboard. But what I want to show you here is this is actually our Aiden chalkboard that we offer at Couture. And everybody always asks me about our chalkology chalk paste. You can run your hand across this when your design is done. I'm just rubbing my fingertips across it. It is not going to come off unless you absolutely want to remove it. And then our Couture inks, what I showed you there on the mug, as long as you heat set your Couture ink, again, it is not going to be removable. It is absolutely permanent. Now you can use our products on canvas, on wood, definitely the Couture inks on t-shirts and dish towels and so many other surfaces. That's why we say this is the most versatile home decor out there on the market, and there's nothing else like this in the home party industry, which is super amazing. So I couldn't decide which design I wanted to do on this chalkboard, but I ended up going with It's a Good Day for a Good Day. And I'm actually going to be combining both the Couture ink and the Chalkology chalk paste. And as long as I don't seal it, it is absolutely removable when you do this on a chalkboard. So if you purchase products right through my website, all of our transfers have the directions on the back to use them, but you just remove your transfer from the backing. The first time you use them, you always want to fuzz them up, and that's just applying it to a terry cloth towel because they are very sticky and it just makes it easier to remove. You will apply it to your surface. You will smooth it out so that there are no air bubbles within the screen print area, and then you'll just go ahead and apply your chalk paste or your Couture ink. Now once you're done, you'll clean all your stuff up with water and Clorox wipes and store them again for future use. So our transfers, you usually can get anywhere from 8 to 15 uses out of one transfer. Now once again, there are 3 ways to be a part of Couture. You can purchase products straight through me at chalkinwithjen.com. If you are local to me, we can do a make and take or a sip and chalk where we get together with friends and create a design. Or if you want, the most fun way is becoming a designer like me. And you can do this as a hobby. You can do this on social media. There are so many avenues. If you own your own Etsy store, I would love to share that information with you because we are looking for designers all across the United States. We have a lot of fun things coming within the next couple months, and I would love to share this business adventure with you. So just reach out to me. Again, you can go to my website. You can find me on Facebook, and I would love to share that with you. So I'm just finishing up my design here on this chalkboard. And like I said, I'll clean this up for later, but I do want to tell you, thank you so much for taking the time to watch all my fun crafty videos. I hope you're loving them. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Leave me some comments on what you think of all the fun projects. And I hope you love the end result of Today is a Good Day for a Good Day.